how to change YouTube short thumbnail. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically change up your YouTube shorts thumbnail or add in a custom shorts thumbnail for your YouTube shorts. Simply come on to youtube.com and then from over here simply open up the channel that you have all your content on, and then after that click on YouTube Studio, and then it's basically gonna take you over here. Now from over here click on content, and then after that you guys are going to see this particular page. Now from over here simply open up the YouTube short that you want to change up the thumbnail for, and then after that once you open it up it's going to basically show you this particular page. Now from over here you can choose from the auto generated thumbnails, or you can choose a custom thumbnail by simply clicking on upload thumbnail, and then after that you guys can choose any image and you can add it for your YouTube short. Now whenever a person is gonna come onto your YouTube short, they're gonna see this thumbnail, and then after that as soon as they click on play they will see your YouTube short. So guys, that is how you can basically add in custom thumbnails to YouTube shorts. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.